it is behind schedule for very, very long. We broke ground in this stadium in 2017. Very little has been done. In terms of quality, the structures look sound and they seem sound. We've gone through them. We've seen some challenges with the pitch. We have advised the contractor to redo the pitch because the grass is not done to our standards. Together we have enough teams to be able to make sure that we can deliver this stadium within the next 6 months to 1 year to the people of Nyeri.
This stadium, I do not mince my words, it is the perfect example of how government projects should not be executed. And I have used the same words in the presence of the president. Because we cannot explain how a project that was supposed to end in 6 months is 7 years down the line still incomplete.